Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Living. Let's have a look on how you can add fall decorations to home this season. It's hard to imagine that fall is only around the corner, therefore it's time to start planning how you will decorate your house for the occasion. Whether your property is indoors or out, we have some great ideas for adding cozy elements. The autumn season is a great time of year because the leaves begin to change color, apple cider odor fills the air, and pumpkins are in full flower. Check out the fantastic ideas below to get your fall decorating off to a great start. Number 1. Dress up your console table in the foyer. The word fall is written with wooden block letters from Hobby Lobby. Add some firewood and fresh pumpkins. Number 2. Hang a wreath made of wheat sheaves in the autumn on your door. Put some dry wheat in a bundle and fasten the center with a rubber band. For the bow, choose a silk or velvet ribbon and trim the ends to the same length. Number 3. Include a warm plaid blanket for fall. Offer a seasonal blanket to your bedroom to offer coziness and warmth. Orange or red hues will create the autumnal aesthetic, assisting you in changing the appearance of your bedroom. Number 4. Display a wreath. Use a wreath with a fall theme to adorn your entrance, window, or even a blank space on your wall. This door has a magnolia wreath on it that has 5 yards of ribbon wrapped around the top of it. Here is a wreath that resembles that one. Number 5. Dress up your dining table with fall decor. Fresh flowers are displayed on this dining table, and they can be changed out to keep the decor looking fresh. Incorporate some fresh autumn fruit to finish the design. Number 6. Add farmhouse-inspired accessories to a coffee table. This coffee table has a straightforward autumnal arrangement with white pumpkins and candlesticks. Number 7. Dress up the kitchen table. Autumnal accents are arranged on a wicker tray, including an orange pumpkin and vivid yellow sunflowers in a white enamel pitcher. Number 8. Construct a fall-related vignette. In this warm farmhouse dining area, there is a mixture of autumnal design items. Rustic wood frames a chalkboard. The fall sign is a Target discovery, and platters are piled high with fake leaves and white and green pumpkins. Number 9. Chalkboard wall art. Fill a blank wall or your foyer with a unique chalkboard decoration. Put a motivational autumnal message on it. You can make your own board. Add some chalkboard spray paint to an outdated frame to turn it into a painting. Number 10. DIY pumpkin vase. Make a fake pumpkin vase using the straightforward instructions in the link. Real pumpkins may also be used, just be sure you first clean out the center. Number 11. Incorporate rustic accents into your decor. Why not carry on the concept with your autumn decorations if your home design already includes some rustic components? A fantastic way to decorate on a budget is with these simple pallet pumpkins. These pumpkins can be used to adorn a shelf, or be set on the front porch. Number 12. DIY farmhouse pumpkin bucket. A galvanized steel bucket is filled with wheat, pussy willows, and fake pumpkins. Number 13. Fall centerpiece for the dining table. Create the atmosphere for a fall dinner gathering. On this rustic dining table, heirloom pumpkins and candlesticks are arranged in layers. Number 14. Pumpkins on the porch. On the porch stairs going to the front door, there are outside autumn pumpkin decorations. For authentic fall decor, include some mums and galvanized buckets. The last one on the list is number 15. Pillows with a fall theme. Changing out your pillows is an easy and fast way to introduce autumn into your home. Any area may be instantly transformed by adding plaids and stripes, as well as rich colors and pumpkin patterns. Please share which one most influenced you and why in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.